Hello, Barry Anderson with Trade Ideas with the stock of the day and another one that's not necessarily so dynamic, but it came from the AI VMEO. And why I want to point it out to you is that first of all, I'll just bring this over here. Notice it's a lifetime low. So consequently, there is no support for this stock. Okay, it is an earnings play, number one. So it doesn't have any support whatsoever because on the chart. I'm not saying people won't step in and buy it at some point, but the AI looked at this, had a massive gap down already. This is all pre-market, okay? Market open, had a little pop up, and then the AI said, you know what? I don't believe it's going to go any higher. So took a look at here, 26.26 on the short. It's at 25.52 right now. Now, I don't know where it's going from here. The market low in the pre-market was around 24.90. But again, because this is an earnings play, we anticipate that it'll be active all day long. And because there's no support, unless there's some really big buying enthusiasm, this could just continue to drift down today. And also, I'd be watching it tomorrow to see if it continues to drift down. So VMEO from the AI, certainly a nice little trade, and I'd be watching it tomorrow to see if it continues down. All right, everybody, I want to get back into the trading room. So if you have any questions for me, here's the email address you can use, and I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Have a great evening, everybody, and I hope to see you in the room tomorrow. Bye-bye.